Halo guys, balik lagi bareng saya Budi di channel YouTube Gadget Empire. Kali ini kita lagi di eventnya SHURE. Karena SHURE hari ini resmi menghadirkan produk barunya. Produk barunya adalah STEM Ecosystem. Nah, STEM Ecosystem ini adalah produk yang dikhususkan untuk membuat sebuah ruangan meeting jadi lebih profesional dengan kualitas audio yang lebih bagus pastinya. Nah, seperti apa sih produk-produk STEM Ecosystem dari SHURE ini? Langsung aja kita bahas satu-satu ya. Ini ada Niki adalah prinsipal langsung dari Southeast Asia untuk produk SHURE. Kita tanya-tanya mengenai STEM ecosystem ini bareng Niki. Okay, Niki, this is a great product that you already showed to me. So, can you explain to my audience what are the product here and what technology that SHURE STEM ecosystem offers to the market?
STEM actually consists of 5 different simple products. So we actually have the table, the wall, the speaker, the ceiling, as well as the hub. So this actually consists as a one complete ecosystem, and this ecosystem can work as a plug-and-play simple device. So if you are a user and you do not know what kind of system, how it fits into your space, all you need to do is go to the website, which is the shure.com website/STEM. There is a free software that you can actually use to actually design your room. And once you design your room, it will actually be able to show you what device you need in your room, and then all you need to do is just buy them, put them in your room, and just press the quick start button, and STEM will just tune and calibrate it by itself for your room. So you don't actually need to do anything. All you need to do is just press the quick start button. If you were to look at this device, we actually have the STEM table. So the table consists of a inbuilt microphone and speaker inbuilt into one device. So all you need is the PoE cable for power and a USB cable to connect to your laptop, and you're good to go. All you need to do is just plug these two in, use your computer to just tune the device via the GUI, via IP address, and then your meeting is set. You are able to have that conference wherever you want to. If you're looking for something bigger in your room, we actually have the STEM wall. So the STEM wall is something for a larger room, let's say around 4 to 5 packs. It consists of 15 microphones inside, which will beamform to where you are speaking in that room. And the best part about it, since it's on the wall, it also has a two built-in full-range speaker, so you don't have to get an external speaker as well. And it also uses the USB cable to connect to your laptop, and you use the PoE for power. So first, we are green because we are using PoE, and secondly, we are making it easy for everyone to connect to it by using the USB cable. If you are looking for something that consists of a larger room, we actually can combine the wall with the table unit by using the hub. So the STEM hub is like a brain that combines the two audio and speaker output together as one system. So your PC can actually take the USB from the hub and only receive the STEM hub. But the STEM hub will control both wall and table unit at the same time. Let's say you are looking at a room which you want nothing on the table, nothing on the wall, you just want a TV and you want to sit still and just talk. We have the ceiling option. So the ceiling option is a microphone only, so there's no speaker for that because we have a separate device called the STEM speaker, which will pair nicely with the STEM ceiling. So the STEM ceiling consists of 100 microphone elements. Inside this microphone, we are able to adjust the different types of beam from narrow to medium to wide kind of coverage. And the amazing fact about this is that we can use the narrow beam to enable what we call audio fencing system. So audio fencing is like a shield that you fence around and you block out audio outside of this area and only focus on the capture area. So if you have, let's say this room, the walls are pretty thin, you don't want to have outside audio bleeding into your conference. Let's say you have a pantry there, you can turn on this fencing system and it will block out audio outside of that. And last but not least, we have the STEM speaker, which is behind me. The STEM speaker pairs hand in hand with the ceiling microphone as well as any of the other STEM device as an output source. So what the STEM speaker has is actually a full range subwoofer as well as tweeter and mids, so you can play any sort of program audio. It's not like something when you use a conference system out there, when you play certain type of music, you tend to lose a bit of low end, tend to lose a bit of mids. The STEM speaker is a full-range speaker, so you make sure you enjoy the best video playbacks for your conference calls or full-range tonality of the person's voice when you're having your conference call. The STEM actually consists of 3 main key points. So the 3 main key points are flexible audio. So we have different types of devices. You can actually use it any types of device in that same room. The second key point is actually play nice with others. So we are compatible with most of the software codec platforms out there and soon to be certified as well. And last but not least is advanced technology made simple. So why we have this last key point is we actually have 2 buttons that you only need to use to set up the entire STEM. So these 2 buttons are called Room Adapt and Room Check. So when you access the GUI of the STEM device, you will be able to see this quick start button. And when you enter the ecosystem button, there is a Room Adapt. So once you press this Room Adapt, it will ping the RT60 noise automatically, calibrate automatically, listen to where the devices are automatically, and then tune your device and your room to be ready for your conference to begin. So it's a really simple plug and play, push one button, let it tune, set it there, and it's ready to go. So STEM consists of many devices, so no matter what you use, STEM, set, tune, and enjoy your meeting.
Oke, jadi nggak usah khawatir ya, kalaupun produknya canggih banget, kualitasnya bagus, kayaknya kompleks, tapi setup instalasinya juga ternyata nggak susah, gampang banget. Oke, Niki, thanks for the product explanation, thanks for everything, and thanks for having you here on my channel.
Nice meeting you. Thank
you. Oke, GadgetEmpire, itu dia mengenai produk-produknya. Langsung aja kita tanya mengenai harganya. Pasti penasaran dong sama harganya? Langsung kita tanya. Nah, di sini udah ada Mas Al nih dari PT Suara Bangun Solusi ya, sebagai distributor resmi dari SHURE ini ya. Nah, Mas Al, SHURE Ecosystem ini keren-keren ya produknya. Kelihatan kualitasnya bagus, teknologinya keren banget, dan pada penasaran sama harganya nih. Boleh dong di-spill harga masing-masing dari SHURE STEM ini. Silakan, Mas.
Kalau STEM ini ada beberapa barang sebenarnya yang bisa di-combine tergantung ruang meeting dan kebutuhannya. Yang pertama mungkin yang paling gede ya, Pak.
Boleh.
Yang paling gede mungkin ceiling microphone.
Ini STEM ceiling namanya.
Ada 100 mikrofon yang ada inside di dalam ceiling itu harganya sekitar 60 jutaan.
60 juta untuk SHURE STEM ceilingnya. Oh, mantap. Lanjut.
Betul. Kemudian kita mulai dari yang gede-gede ya. Kemudian kita ada apa? STEM wall. Nah, ya, STEM wall ini saya di kisaran 31 juta.
Untuk SHURE STEM wall-nya ini harganya 31 juta. Ya. Oke, lanjut. Kita ke
ini STEM wall ini ada mikrofon dan speaker langsung inside di dalamnya. Jadi ada sekitar 15 mikrofon di bawah sini. Jadi jaraknya bisa sekitar penangkapannya sekitar 3-4 meter.
Oh, jauh juga. Mantap. Oke, lanjut ke STEM table nih.
STEM table.
Harganya berapa nih, Mas?
Warnanya sama, berarti memang dia mikrofon dan speaker juga.
Oke.
Ada 8 mikrofon, ada inside di dalamnya.
Siap.
Harganya sekitar 15 juta
15 jutaan buat SHURE STEM table-nya. Ya, kita penasaran juga sama speakernya nih. STEM speaker ini berapa sih harganya, Mas Al?
Sudah 16-an.
16 juta.
Ya,
dan terakhir buat kontrol semuanya itu ada namanya STEM controller nih.
Hub.
STEM hub namanya.
Jadi, kalau seandainya di satu ruang meeting pakai lebih dari satu STEM, misalnya ruang meeting gede, dia butuh
di-sync ya,
supaya terjadi pembagian suara tidak ada feedback segala macam, itu pakai hub.
Nah, ini adalah STEM hub namanya nih.
Tapi kalau customer cuma hanya pakai satu unit aja, bisa langsung colok ke laptop.
Tanpa hub ya? Tanpa hub. Berapaan sih STEM hubnya?
Iya, 16 jutaan.
16 jutaan juga. Oh, satu lagi. Ada promo apa sih, Mas Al, kalau customer pengen beli produk-produk ini?
Ya, karena karena barang-barang ini adalah barang-barang yang memang tidak punya adaptor power.
Oh, tanpa power adapter.
Cuma hanya satu kabelan. Seperti yang kita lihat ya. Satu kabelan, tapi memang power lewat LAN. Otomatis dibutuhkan satu perangkat lagi namanya switch yang PoE+.
Jadi membutuhkan switch PoE+ ya.
Untuk paket-paket pembelian tertentu, kita akan belikan switchernya itu free.
Oh, jadi kalian bisa dapetin Switch PoE Plus secara gratis alias cuma-cuma kalau beli beberapa paket tertentu ya. Oke, thank you Mas.
Promonya seperti itu. Jadi
siap,
tidak usah beli lagi.
nggak usah beli lagi. Ya, pasti yang ditanyain juga adalah garansinya nih Mas. Gimana nih kalau ngomongin garansi?
Garansi kita 2 tahun.
Garansi 2 tahun? Ada replace atau service?
Yang pastinya kalau memang baru beli kita akan
replace ya. Jadi kalau baru beli garansinya replace, nggak usah khawatir.
Betul.
Dan full di coverage service spare partnya kalau di full total garansinya 2 tahun. Jadi panjang ya. Dan garansinya resmi dari PT Suara Bangun Solusi.
Ya, dan garansi kita ada di beberapa kota. Kita ada di Jakarta, Bandung, Makassar, Surabaya, Bali.
Oke, jadi memang bisa dipergunakan di berbagai kota, nggak cuma di Jakarta aja ya?
Betul.
Oke. Itu dia produk-produk dari SHURE STEM Ecosystem ini. Thank you Mas Al untuk harga-harganya. Oke, gadget lover, jadi kalau misal kita punya ruangan meeting yang super gede, 5 kali 10 meter, dan kita butuh kira-kira desain seperti ini dengan 1 unit table, 1 unit wall, 1 unit ceiling, 2 speaker, 1 unit control, dan 1 hub, itu totalnya bisa nyampe $8.303 atau kalau dirupiahin sekitar 125 juta. Wow, lumayan ya buat ruang meeting 125 juta. Tapi balik lagi, ada harga, ada kualitas, yang pasti ruangan meeting kalian akan jadi lebih profesional lagi, jadi lebih keren lagi dengan dukungan audio yang berkualitas dari SHURE STEM Ecosystem. Oke, jadi itu dia ya liputan launching kita Gadget Empire mengenai launchingnya SHURE Ecosystem di Indonesia di PT Suara Bangun Solusi. Kalian bisa follow Suara Bangun Solusi di Instagram atau kunjungi juga websitenya di SBS Indo.